Welcome back. Well, we have a special treat with us. We have, well, Ron Drowden is here, and of course he's a special treat, but he brought a little furry friend named Gracie, and you're here on behalf of the dog club, so thank you so much. Hi, Gracie, you're doing such a good job. Yes, you just stay right there. Well, you know, we just had a little conversation before we came on about how you got Gracie. Tell me a little bit about how that works.
It does. You know, a lot of times people here in our community, they have to surrender a dog because they're going someplace else, maybe to a retirement home or something like that, or they pass away, and the family doesn't know how to, dispose of the dog. So we always tell them in our dog club, we do have an email list, and we put it on next door.
Okay.
And we try to find a home for it.
Okay.
And most times they're very successful.
Oh, that's good.
Because people are really looking for another dog, you know.
Oh, now what do you do? Like, I guess I wonder if somebody has an older dog and maybe they have some things that you maybe have to take care of. Is that still okay to place?
Yes.
You do? Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
So people are willing.
Yes, they are.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Now, tell me a little bit about Gracie.
Well, Gracie's 6 years old. And when I got her, I think about almost 2 years ago, she came ready.
You're just a cutie, but
housebroken, trained, everything.
Nice.
So, you know, what else could you ask for?
Right. And you've had her how long?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, she's just adorable, and she's being so good. And she's a mix.
Yes, she is.
Okay.
Papillon mix.
A Papillon mix, but she's adorable. And, of course, I'm sure you highly believe in licensing and vaccination.
Absolutely.
Because you guys are having an event coming up.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the event.
Well, the event is coming up on February 6th.
Yeah.
And it will be at Clubhouse 1, the main lounge.
Okay.
And we have two services there. One is the dog licensing.
Right.
And the other service is the inoculation service, where if your dog does need a rabies vaccination, we'll have a veterinarian there to help you with that.
Well, that's great, and people don't have to travel that far.
You don't have to travel.
And let's talk a little about, so the dog licensing fee is, if the dog is neutered or spayed, it's $24.
Yes.
And if it is an unaltered dog, it's $48. So that's certainly nice. Oh, and then if you're a senior citizen, 65 and older, you get a half-price discount.
Yes.
That's a screaming good deal.
That's down to $12.
That is really nice. Yeah. Okay, good. And then the vaccination fees, we have rabies is $22, and DHP and Bordetella is $22. So that's perfect. Well, that's really nice.
Those are good deals. And number two, you don't have to pay an office visit.
Well, that's right. See? That's sometimes $50.
So you're saving $65 right there.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. That is wonderful. And is that just for residents?
Well, we do, yes, residents. Well, we have people come outside the village that live in the city of Laguna Woods.
Oh, okay.
Come to. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then there's some other services that are available. Tell me a little bit about those.
Oh, the shots and stuff like that.
Yeah, well, like a microchip.
A microchip, you can get that for $42.
Okay.
And that's a reasonable price, competitive. And we always encourage all our members to have that.
Right.
Because if the dog get lost, the city does have a scanner. And so does the animal control have a scanner, so help locate your dog.
Okay, that's great. Yes, oh, look at you. Let's talk a little bit about, you have monthly meetings, and next meeting will be February 10th.
Yes.
At 7 p.m. in Clubhouse 1, also in the art room. Who's coming?
Nick Lucas, and he has a pet supply warehouse.
Oh.
It's in Mission Viejo.
Okay.
And he has a degree, and he talks about the different dog foods and things and supplements that are available on the market today. And a lot of times he'll be coming from a convention, a pet food industry.
Right.
And he'll give us the latest updates on what's good for your dog and what's appropriate. Right now we got this controversy going on between is grain-free dog food good or bad for your dog. Okay. Some people claim it's good. Other people say it's not so good because the dog becomes sick.
Oh, interesting. And I think there was also some discussion, it's been about a year since I've heard about it, but there was a particular label, a brand that you should not be giving your dog at all because dogs were getting really sick.
Yes.
So I would suppose that's probably where this all came about.
This is where it came about.
Got it, okay.
And it was one of the brands that a lot of veterinarians sold.
That's right, that's right. So Nick Lucas will be able to kind of shed some light on that.
He'll shed a lot of light on it, and he'll also have samples and stuff like that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, great. Well, how many members do you guys have now?
We were just talking about it the other day. We had a board meeting yesterday, and I think we're up to about 121. We're always looking for new members.
Okay.
A lot of people don't even know we have a dog club in Laguna Woods, and so we're currently undergoing our membership drive.
Oh, okay.
So if you want a renewal, this is the time to do it. And if you'd like to join the club, our dues are for single person 15,
Okay.
or a couple it's 20.
Okay.
And we do have different programs during the year. We usually have a dog show, and then we have a holiday luncheon, and,
Sure.
and then we do dog license and vaccination. So
Right. And now you meet once a month, and do
Once
you
a month.
guys meet with dogs too? Like you guys have a meet and greet at the dog park?
we encourage people to bring their dogs to the dog club meeting. Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
very good. Well, that sounds fun. Then all the doggies can get together and
Yeah.
have a little powwow.
Yeah, and we're very proud of our new dog park because the dog
yeah.
club worked very diligently
You
to get this
did.
thing built, and
Absolutely.
and hopefully we're looking forward to phase 2,
Oh,
and that will be coming up, I think, sometime this year. They'll announce the plans for it
okay.
for an adjacent dog park, which will be for small and timid dogs.
Oh, okay. Now, what about your dog? Does Gracie go in the small one, or does she get along good with big dogs?
Well, right now we go there. They all. She gets along with all the dogs.
Oh,
yeah.
good. Oh, good. Because you never know.
You
just
just
never
don't
know.
when you walk in there.
Yeah. I had taken my dog to the dog park, and all he did was sit there and go up on my legs like, pick me up. I do not want to be here.
Yeah, I've experienced that.
Yeah, I did not like it at all, at all. All right, well, good. Well, let's recap and just talk again about your vaccination day, which will be Thursday, February 6th.
Yes.
That'll be in Clubhouse 1 in the main lounge. Veterinarian services are from 9:30 to 1.
Yes.
And then the licensed services are from 10 to 1. Any reservations needed, or do they just show up?
Just show up. And I think
Okay.
I want to stress this one thing. When you do come and you want these discounts, please have a proper ID.
Okay.
You have to show that you're over 65.
Gotcha.
And then bring your necessary paperwork, like your inoculation certificate, your spayed and neuter certificate,
Okay.
and a current.
And do they have to prove address too?
No.
No, okay, just their age.
Right.
Okay, perfect. Although if they did want any information, you can always contact Laguna Woods Dog Club at 949-855-1938.
Correct.
Good. Well, thank you so much. And
Oh,
Gracie,
great.
you were such a good girl. Thank you for being so
Can you
good.
turn around and say hi?
Not today. Thank you again. Nice to see you.
Okay, it's always great to be here.
And remember, if you have any additional questions, you can always contact the Laguna Woods Dog Club at the number that I mentioned, or I'll tell you again, it's 949-855-1938. And make sure you spay or neuter your dog, just
Absolutely.
like Bob Barker would want you to.
Yes.
We'll be right back.